Mi Band 2 was a great product for the value it offers for the price. This year Xiaomi is adding even better value to its sequel. Meet the new best budget fitness tracker, the Mi Band 3. The body of the Mi Band 3 is curved on the corners with 0.78-inch OLED touchscreen and Groove Touch button. Unlike the Mi Band 2, which uses a single button to wake the display and navigate between the different functions, the Mi Band 3 comes with a touchscreen that supports swipe from left to right or from top to bottom. Also, I have a multi-function touch button that acts like back button, wake button, or long press to activate some functions. The footprint of the Mi Band 3 is much bigger than the Mi Band 2, which was using 0.42-inch display. The Mi Band 3 has a 110 mAh battery, and during my usage it lasted 13 days on a single charge. It will take about 2 hours and 20 minutes to fully charge, which is a quite long time for a small battery. Mi Band 3 has a heart rate sensor at the back that emits green light to measure your heartbeat. One of the cool features of the Mi Band 3 that it is 5 ATM rated water resistance till 50 meters depth. ATM is a unit to measure the pressure, and 1 ATM means the device can withstand the water pressure till 10 meters. That makes the Mi Band 3 great for swimming and sports in general. The Mi Band 3 out of the box won't show anything except the serial number and connecting to smartphone icon. So to use the features of the Mi Band 3, you have to pair it to your smartphone first. In order to do that, you have to download the Mi Fit app from the Play Store on Android or from the App Store on iPhone. When you open the app for the first time, you need to log in with your Mi account, then choose Profile, Add Device, and then Band. Give the app the permission, and when the app detects your band, press the button on the band to complete the pairing process. From the app you can control what you want the band to show and in which order. From display settings you will get all the different functions that appears on the band display. You can hide it by dragging it down or rearrange it by swiping it up or down. Mi Band 3 has 5 main menus. First, status, and it shows how many steps and the distance you walked, how many calories you burned, and the battery status. Then the heart rate test, and you can measure your heart rate when wearing the band on your wrist by holding the button. The third menu is the weather, and it shows the temperature of your current location for today, tomorrow, and the day after. Notifications, from its name it will show you the notifications that your phone receives on the band display. However, the amount of text that appears on the display is very limited due to the display's small size. To enable this feature, you need to go to App Alerts in Mi Fit app and tap Manage Apps and select the app you want to receive notification from. The last menu is More, and it has several functions like stopwatch. You can also put your phone on silent from the band, make your phone ring if you can't find it. Lastly, screen, and it has 3 different styles or watch faces to switch between them. The Mi Band 3 can also alert you when your phone is receiving a call by vibrating on your wrist, and you can even cancel the call by holding the button. To activate this feature from the Mi Fit app, tap Incoming Calls and toggle the incoming call alerts. One of the new features of the Mi Band 3 is that you can lock the display. This feature will help prevent accidental touches when you're wearing the band on your wrist. And when you need to unlock the display, you can simply swipe up to start using the band. All in all, the Mi Band 3 is a nice improvement to its predecessor, the Mi Band 2. However, it doesn't come without its drawbacks, which in my case were the touch screen sometimes is not very responsive and the long charging time. Nevertheless, for $26 price tag, there must be some compromises you have to live with. So if you are in the market for a budget fitness tracker, for $26 you are getting a stylish and yet functional product from Xiaomi. And that's great value for money. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like that, click the Nexus Zone icon right here to subscribe. And don't forget to ring the bell icon to get notifications for new videos from Nexus Zone. This was Ahmed Al Alfi, and until next time, salam.